Few weeks back in my weekly analysis, we talked about this that USDJPY, if it trades beyond this zone at 120 and then 130, these are the two levels you should watch out for. Then beyond that, we will see it hitting 150 levels. It has already achieved 146. Now, what can be expected out of USDJPY next week? Whether we are looking forward to a rise again or it is going to crash further, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch till the end. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. So let's start on the 4-hour charts. See, it has achieved 146 and what a good drop which brought it till towards 140 levels. A good swing again coming back to and trading above the support at 142. Remember 142 and 141.7 are the two strong support for USD JPY. See, with this sharp drop it has closed those who are bearish. It has closed the short trades, and yes, in fact the people who were long must have hit the stop losses. So that is what this sharp drop has done. Now what can be expected, whether it is going to continue here? Look at this on the 4-hour chart. The support there at 142 and 141.8 is strong. Also look at the higher lows narrowing zone here on the upside. Yes, if it breaks past 120 144 here, you can again expect that we may see a rise. Be careful, you can buy here at 143.5, expect 143.8, 144 as the next target. Beyond that we may see it flying again. Now this is just on the 4-hour charts. Also remember, since long it has been trading in this zone, and remember on the 4-hour chart this was the first rally's position where the rally has started. So it has achieved these positions here, and hence from here we may see it rising again. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, higher highs are done, higher lows are done, and see it has to achieve these levels. It has achieved these levels, now trying to continue with the rally. We see it trading with the bullishness from here, and see on the daily charts we can again expect a second red candle can be seen, which might take it till towards 144.5, 145 levels. A stronger resistance at 145, what we had seen earlier, double top, possibly it may try to achieve, and these levels again before it, in fact even if it is bearish, even if it has to drop, it may try to achieve 145 levels at least once. Now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, higher highs, higher lows, trying to trade within this. The body size is diminishing. Possibly a breakout again is expected, and this time the breakout might take it till towards 148-49 levels. I'll be watchful of 145. If it trades above 145, certainly you can watchful of 146.2, and then beyond that we can expect 148-49 levels. It can give you equal big size of candle from here. On the downside, yes, once it draws below this zone at 142, then only consider that we are looking forward to another bearish move, and then 140, 139.5, and then below that further lower levels can be expected. On the monthly candle, see, the previous candle was almost of 10 points of move, or rather you can say 9 points of move there, and this candle started from around 139. Yes, it has a potential to give you 10 points of move, that is, which will take it till towards 148 149 levels. So one thing, the potential is there. Second thing, yes, it can try to get a pullback again. So once it achieves 148-49, it can again come back till towards 146 levels towards the closer of the month, towards the end of the week. So for next couple of days, yes, it has still probability for it to rise, but then a pullback can be expected. On the upside, you can buy here at 143.5 and expect it to rise. I look forward to specifically 145 first, 146.2 next. If these two are taken, certainly you can expect 147.8, 148.6 and 149 levels. So yes, you can take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators, whether the indicators are supportive of our observation on the charts or they have a contrary view here. Now look at the 4-hour chart. The resistance zone at 143, 143.5 is very strong. I'll be careful and watchful of these levels. And 143, if it sustains, right now it is perfectly as 143.3 levels, which is very strong levels. Yes, if it sustains above this, you can again expect it to rise, and then you can expect 144, 145, and as I said, 148.9 levels can also be seen there. Directional movement bearish on the 4 hour charts. Stochastic is overbought on the 4 hour charts. We may see a little drop. The MACD has just crossed over and it is divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. So yes, it can try to give you a couple of more green candles before it looks over to little bit drop. On the daily charts, trading above the 20, 50, 100 moving average, the 20 period moving average is situated here at around 142.5, 143 levels. You have to be very cautious of this, and on the downside you have to be cautious of 142 levels specifically. Only bearishness is seen if it trades below 142. Directional movement was bullish, it is trying to narrow. Stochastic is comfortable and the MACD is divergent and bearish. That is what we can see here on the daily charts. Be cautious, it is on the bearish side. RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, weekly charts, it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, getting the resistance there. It has shown you a breakout. I will be careful. It can be considered a doji, and for a reversal, if it tries to open below and continues with the drop, yes, you can again expect it to give you a sharp drop for 140, 138 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is the third green candle, possibly a fourth green candle can be expected, and RSI is overbought. And if you look at the monthly chart, this is overbought here. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought. See, USDJPY is extremely overbought on each and every indicator. The highs which it will see this week and this month are going to be the highs which it may try to attempt and achieve 148.49 levels, and from those levels, yes, you can remain short on USDJPY. We can expect it to drop from those levels. Possibility exists. So take your positions accordingly. Time is for me is to give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, you can buy at 143.5 and then expect it to achieve 143.76, 143.84, 144, and then it can try to rise for 145. Be alert of 144 and 145. If it trades beyond this, you can certainly expect 146.5, 148 levels, and then you can expect in fact 149 levels. Yes, this is going to be the level which I will be looking forward to. It can achieve these levels, and it can drop again. This is the level that is the top which we had seen a few multiple years back, 20 years back. I think we had seen on the monthly charts the high at around this. There is their next high which is still yet to be achieved, but yes, achieving these highs for now, it can try to retrace again on the downside. So on the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell here at 142.8. And before I give you the complete strategy, yes, you can, if you want to learn this art of identifying the trades, taking right entries and right exits, identifying the support resistance, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch, 16th batch, starting on 3rd of October, 15 days, 90 minutes live sessions, will help you become profitable and proficient trader for sure. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also become a patron and support the effort which I am putting for you all. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Below 142.5, sell for 142.5. Below 142.4, the target is 142.5, then 142. Be cautious of 142. Very, very strong support there. And if it draws below 142, certainly I will be looking forward to 140.8 and 140 levels. In fact, 139.5 levels is something which I will be looking forward to, for it to directly drop to below that 139, 138, and sky is the limit on the downside. So trade with caution. I think it can achieve the highs at around 148.49, and then probably if it tries to achieve those levels, you can certainly go short or sell there, and then you can expect a good drop. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.